Director of PortAventura, Ed Wells, Head of International Media and Education at Sesame Workshop, and our very own John Wood, Chairman and CEO of Sally Corporation. Now with who I've just introduced, if you keep up with industry news, you may be putting two and two together. But let's have Fernando, General Director at PortAventura, tell you more about this exciting collaboration. Welcome, Fernando.
Thank you, Lorraine. It's a great pleasure to be here to talk about our collaboration with Sally and Sesame Street to introduce the first Sesame Street Dark Ride in Europe. As most of you already know, PortAventura World is one of the largest family destination resorts in Europe, and through 24 years of history, we have been able to welcome more than 80 million visitors. And our goal is to provide unforgettable experiences to families, covering all the spectrum of entertainment and hospitality. PortAventura already operates 3 parks: theme park, PortAventura Park, a water park, and Ferrari Land. Ferrari Land is the only Ferrari park in Europe, which was opened last year in 2017. The reputation of Ferrari brand, which is one of the most prestigious brands in the world, in conjunction with an exclusivity agreement for Europe and Russia, has consolidated PortAventura Resort as a unique European resort. We have a privileged location very close to Barcelona, and we also manage 4- and 5-star hotels and a convention center. Additionally to that, we also manage 3 golf courses and a beach club. So this means that PortAventura World is a resort that offers experiences for family, holiday, or togetherness. But let me now talk about the star of our family offer. It's without doubt Sesame Aventura, a special area where children take the center stage. All attractions have been designed and created for children of all ages. We continue with our policy of constant innovation, and that's why 2019 will be a very special year, because PortAventura Park will feature a new ride, the first Sesame Dark Ride in Europe. The new attraction will be suitable for all family members and will be located in Sesame Aventura family area, which will be expanded thanks to this new ride. The arrival of this new attraction strengthens the alliance between PortAventura World and Sesame Street. We started to work together already in 2009, when the characters of Sesame Street arrived to PortAventura. We continue that collaboration with the opening of our whole family area, Sesame Aventura, in 2012, and now I can announce you that we have extended our collaboration with Sesame Street beyond the year 2030. This partnership with the internationally recognized non-profit organization Sesame Street, along with the collaboration with Sally Corporation, as a dark ride specialist, will contribute to create an attraction that will be a unique experience within the range for family entertainment offering. So just before introducing the next speaker, let me thank you, John Wood, let me thank Ed Wells, because of this incredible partnership that has made possible to bring this unique family experience to life. Thank you both. Thank you to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So I'm thrilled to be here today at IAAPA to be part of a truly historic announcement. Not only the first dark ride at PortAventura World, but Sesame's first dark ride ever in Europe. This is really exciting for us. As all of you here today know, theme parks are one of the most powerful ways for families and children to engage and connect with their favorite characters. And our partners, PortAventura World, which is one of the premier destination resorts in Europe, together with the incredible work here from Sally Ride, have done an amazing job in capturing the true essence of the Sesame brand and our characters with this unique interactive experience for park guests. In 1969, Sesame started with a really bold idea, that you could harness the power of media not only to entertain, but also to educate. And for 50 years, our lovable, iconic cast of characters, including Big Bird, Oscar the Grouch, Elmo, and Cookie Monster, have been doing just that. We're now seen in over 150 countries and 30 languages around the world, and children who grew up with Sesame Street have now had families of their own and are passing it on and experiencing Sesame as a brand, as a multi-generational experience in the home. Sesame Workshop's mission is to help children grow smarter, stronger, and kinder. Quite simply, we believe that to be able to teach, you have to reach. And expanding Sesame Street's presence at PortAventura World will enable us to deepen our engagement with families and children and help the workshop sustain its nonprofit mission through high-quality experiences that both entertain and educate. This dark ride is only part of what I'm very happy to say is an overall extension and expansion of our partnership with PortAventura World beyond 2030. Together, over this time, we'll be creating many more Sesame Street experiences and attractions for new generations of PortAventura World visitors to enjoy. I want to take this opportunity to give very special thanks to PortAventura World's Fernando Aldecoa and Chani Fernandez and their wonderful teams for their dedication, support, and friendship. And also to thank John and the incredible team at Sally Corporation for developing and building an incredible attraction that will help extend the laughter and the learning of Sesame Street. Thank you very much.
Today is a very exciting day for us, and we're really thankful that you came to share the news. It's really exciting, and it's actually an honor to be working on a project of this magnitude. It's always great to get a call from a customer like PortAventura World, where we had the pleasure of working with them in the past on their beautiful Anchor attraction. Fans from around the world, though, are going to be able to experience the Sesame Street like they've never experienced it before. It's going to be an incredible dark ride. Let me tell you a little bit about the ride itself. We packed an almost 6-minute attraction into a 14,000 square foot building, brand new by the way. It's fun from inch to inch. In total, the show will be about 15 minutes long. We have a 10-minute pre-show experience and then about a 6-minute ride experience. With a mystery comes a mission. This interactive dark ride will feature 2,000 clues to collect, and both virtual and practical clues that you'll be gathering. There are 8 projector screens, including 4 projection map screens, a 90-degree curved screen with animatronic and show action synchronized, 2 180-degree curved, fully immersive screens that allow us to fly through the Count's Castle and into Oscar's trash can. So it's going to be a load of fun. At the end, there's a Hall of Fame scoreboard so everyone knows how they played and how they did in the game. But I have to tell you, the collaboration with our team and their teams has been extraordinary. As a matter of fact, our design team went to New York City to go to the Sesame Workshop to actually video the characters, act out the things that we're going to be doing in CGI to prompt our people. And we're working with the workshop to create the Sesame costumes for the animatronic figures. First time that's been done. So what fans have grown accustomed to on TV will appear before their eyes in this dark ride. It will really be an incredible attraction for both kids and adults, providing an unforgettable experience for families at PortAventura World. I know you didn't come here to hear us talk. And there's something behind this big black curtain that we'd like to show off. And now it's time for the big reveal. Let's see what's behind the curtain.
Hey! Hello there! Wow, there sure are a lot of people around here. I hope everybody's having a good time. So good to see you all here. You know, I flew to Orlando today, and boy, are my legs tired. I want to tell you all about a history happening on Sesame Street. Detective Rover is turning over every leaf searching for clues, but has come up empty-handed. Come along with me and all my Sesame Street friends on this awesome adventure today. We'll need a whole team of detectives